Hey everyone, have you ever followed up on a claim and heard no claim on file? Frustrating, right? This is one of the most common issue in medical billing, but don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through what is no claim on file, why it happens, how to fix them, and finally, how to prevent this in the future. If you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button below this video so you get notifications every time whenever I post new content, helping you to stay updated and improve your skills in this field. Join our community and let's grow together. What is no claim on file? No claim on file means the insurance company didn't receive the claim you sent for a patient service. It's like mailing a letter that never reaches its destination. Why it happens? There are two main reasons for no claim on file. The first one is when the claim was sent to incorrect payer ID number. The next one is when the claim got rejected by the clearinghouse or the insurance company. How to resolve no claim on file? When you check the claim status in payer portal and you found there is no claim on file, the first thing you have to do is just check whether the claim was sent to correct payer ID number or not. You can find the payer ID number from the insurance card copy. If the payer ID number is incorrect, resubmit the claim to the correct payer ID number. In case the payer ID number is correct, but you couldn't find the claim in payer portal, then you have to check, is this claim rejected? Go to your clearinghouse and check whether this claim is rejected or not. If it is rejected, then fix the rejection and resubmit it. If you are not able to find the claim, even the claim was sent to correct payer and there is no rejection, then you have to call the insurance and tell them this is an electronic submission to this payer ID number on this particular date with the insurance acknowledgement number. You may be wondering what is insurance acknowledgement number, right? When an insurance company accepts a claim, it generates an acknowledgement number and sends to the clearinghouse. In very few scenarios, what happens is insurance accepts the claim and generate acknowledgement number and send it to clearinghouse, but they fail to send the claim for processing. When you call and give this acknowledgement number, they will pull up the claim and send it for processing. If you are a healthcare provider or medical billing company, you want to grow your business to the next level, you can contact me. I'm a certified professional coder and biller. I can help you to grow your business. How to prevent no claim on file? When a patient visits the doctor's office, just get a patient's insurance card copy and scan it in your billing software for future reference. Once you enter the payer ID number in your billing software, just double check it with the insurance card copy. Once you send the claim to insurance company, the very next day, just check, is there any rejection? If you found any rejection, just fix it on the same day itself. Finally, follow up on all your claims from 15 days from the date you sent the claim. I hope you like this video. Follow me for more medical billing and coding related videos. If you want any denial topics to be covered, please mention in the comment section. See you on the next video.